Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be basic life hacks every adult should know. If you enjoy these kind of videos, please throw a thumbs up. I will definitely do a part 2 if you guys would like to see a part 2 of this. Also, if you are new here, please make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and let's just get into it. The lemon hack. Now, you can either use lemon or lime, whatever you prefer. I like lime better than lemons. I just think they smell better and taste better, but that's just my preference. But they both work the same exact way, and what I'm talking about is that you can scrub your sinks with a lemon or lime, and they will come out super shiny, and your kitchen/bathroom will smell amazing. All you have to do is roll your lime or lemon. The reason why we roll it is because the juices tend to stay in the middle. I learned this when I used to work in a kitchen, but it definitely makes a difference when you are cutting your lime or lemons. You can cut it in the middle, and then you can start scrubbing away. You can scrub the handles to the sink, you can scrub the whole entire sink. This is what I do when I am on the biggest budget ever. Now, I do love magic erasers. I think they work amazing, but when you don't have money to go buy these special cleaners for the house, you can just use a lime and it works just as good. Obviously, you can't use it on the wall or anything like that, but when it comes to the sink area, even the bathtub handles, it works perfect. I kid you not, I've been doing this for I don't know, a little over 4 years, and I still do it till this day. It's cheap, it's effective, and it makes your house smell amazing. Who doesn't want that? Floss first. Now, we all have our own dental routine, and I totally get it. I was that person too, to wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, floss, and then use mouthwash, but we're actually doing it wrong. The best hack when it comes to your teeth is to floss first, so you kind of break up all that buildup, all that plaque, and then brush. It's a lot easier for all that plaque to go away the minute you break it up with flossing. I didn't think that this would work until I tried it, and my teeth felt and looked cleaner. So now I switched up my dental routine when it comes to morning and night. Now I floss first instead of flossing in the middle. And then of course I top it all off with mouthwash. So not only is this going to be beneficial for you, but it's also going to be very effective when you go to the dentist. Your dentist will probably be very happy with, you flossing first and then brushing after that. Baking soda. Now, of course, we all know what baking soda is at this point in our lives. You can use it to bake, you can use it to freshen up your fridge or freezer to get that nasty smell out from other foods in there. I do that as well. But did you know that you can also use baking soda in your shoes and also in your closet? I have a little glass bottle that I fill up every month with baking soda. It's very cheap, and you can just fill it up instead of purchasing perfumes and little hanging closet scent things. This works way better. It takes out all the odor. And when we moved in here, our closet smelled like dirty socks. We don't know what the last tenant did or what they had in there in those closets back there. So I did the baking soda method, and I've been doing it ever since we moved into this new place months ago, and that nasty smell is gone. Our closets have no smell, and that's what I like. I don't want our closets to smell like flowers, and I just want a clean closet. So if you guys want to try out this baking soda hack where you put it in a little glass bottle, or if you do not have shelves in your closet, you can always put that bottle on the floor in the corner. It will still work the same way. Trust me, I'm so happy that I did this, and I thought of this in my head when we moved in. I'm like, since baking soda works well in the fridge, let's see if it can fix this closet, and it did. And also, if you do have athlete's foot, or if you have stinky sneakers or anything like that, sprinkle a little bit of baking soda. That smell would be gone within a couple days. Again, it's cheaper, it's less chemicals, and it works amazing. Sharpen your knives. Now, this is another trick that I picked up when I used to work in a kitchen. When you work in a kitchen, you don't really have a lot of tools on deck because everyone's always running around, things are getting misplaced. So I learned this neat little trick where if you have the bottom of a plate and it has that rim, you can easily take any knife, a big knife, little knife. Please go slow, you don't have to go fast with this. With the knives, you want to be careful, and you just want to glide them over the plate, and you will have a nice clean cut. No more dull cutting knives. Believe it or not, we own a knife sharpener, and the bottom of the plate works way better than our knife sharpener. And I try to convince my boyfriend, because that's his knife sharpener, and I kind of told my boyfriend to try both methods out. So I gave him 2 knives and 1 plate and then the knife sharpener. He tried out to see which method sharpened the knife the best, and he said the plate did. And I told him, I told you so. So again, it's cheaper, it's more effective, and it also creates less waste in your kitchen. So try it out if you guys haven't. This is like one of my favorite hacks when it comes to the kitchen because it's kind of like safer to use than a knife sharpener. I've always been afraid to use those. Vinegar and water. This is something that I have been doing for years, probably way before I even moved out. When I was like around 24, 25, I was so sick and tired of buying Windex, and the smell would always make me nauseous. I just was over it. So kind of was doing some research, and then I found like an article saying that vinegar and water together makes the best glass cleaner you'll ever see. Tried it out, fell in love, and still use it till this day. That's actually the only thing we use to clean our glass. So all you have to do is fill up a spray bottle, any spray bottle you have in the house, half water, and then probably around like 2 to 5 tablespoons of vinegar, depending on how strong you want it to be or what you're cleaning. And for those that do not like the smell of vinegar, I promise it does not linger. It goes away within 5 minutes. You will not smell that around the house. But like I was saying, this is streak free. There's no harsh chemicals with making this DIY glass cleaner. It works on the spot, and I haven't purchased Windex in a little over 5 years, and I'm happy that I didn't because this is 10 times cheaper. It's technically free at this point because water we have in the house, and I'm sure everyone always has like a gallon of vinegar in their house. I know we do because you can do a lot of things with vinegar, but maybe I'll add that in with part 2 hacks. So there you guys have it. I know, short little hack list, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you want me to keep doing these kind of adult hacks, just let me know down below. I still have a couple tricks up my sleeves from the things that I've learned in a kitchen and also the things that I've learned, you know, over time with being an adult. So on that note, I will catch you guys in the next video. Please make sure to throw a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.